Hello everyone, today we will make a delicious and of course super healthy tea time snack called Muthiya. This is different from the traditional recipe as we will use a number of high protein ingredients to add more richness here. To make this, you need half cup almond flour, 2/3 cup of besan or gram flour, 1 cup of chopped spinach or palak, 200 grams of grated lauki or bottle gourd, 2 to 3 green chilies per your spice levels, 3 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 8 to 10 curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, a pinch of hing or asafoetida, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain, half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Next, take a mixing bowl and add all the ingredients one by one. Let's start by adding the besan or the gram flour, the almond flour, the lauki or bottle gourd, spinach, green chilies, ginger garlic paste. Now we'll add all the masalas. Now give this a good mix. Remember, the lauki will leave water, so you don't need to add any additional water to bind this together. Feel the consistency. If it's too thin, you can add more gram flour. Our dough is now ready. It is in a good consistency where you can actually roll it into balls. At this time, take some oil in your hands and start rolling it into a dough. You don't want it too big, something you can cut in later. That looks perfect. The Muthiya rolls are now ready. I will refrigerate this for about 30 minutes. Till then, we'll get this steaming ready. Take the steaming container and just coat it with a little bit of oil. To steam, take a big container, add some water and allow it to boil. The container is ready and now I'll place the Muthiya onto this for steaming. Cover this and let it steam for 25 minutes. This is all steamed up. As you can see, they have swelled up a little bit. We'll turn off the heat and we'll allow it to cool for 20 minutes. This is the steamed Muthiya. It is cooled down and now we will cut them into pieces. Each piece should be about half an inch. And now let's give them a good tadka. Take a non-stick pan and add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, I'll add the mustard seeds. Add the curry leaves and now add the Muthiya. And cook well on both sides for at least 5 minutes each till you see a nice crispy golden layer on top. Now flip this. As you can see, this is starting to turn golden. That's what you need. You can see the Muthiya is well cooked now. It's become all nice and golden brown on both sides. At this time, turn off the heat and it's ready to serve. The Muthiya is all ready. Enjoy with different kinds of chutneys. I have tamarind here and mint chutney here.